Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, transferring assets like USDT can feel intimidating, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Today, we're focusing on how to transfer USDT from Revolut to Trust Wallet in 2025. This process is straightforward, but always remember to double-check everything for security reasons, as crypto transactions are irreversible. First things first, ensure you have both the Revolut app and Trust Wallet installed on your device, and that your accounts are fully set up. Start by opening Trust Wallet. Navigate to your USDT wallet, it's usually under the main dashboard. Tap on the Receive button to display your unique USDT wallet address. Make sure to copy this address accurately, you can even write it down for safety. Now, switch over to the Revolut app. Log in and head to the Crypto section. Locate your USDT holdings. If you don't have any, you might need to buy some first. Once you're on the USDT page, select the Send or Transfer option. This is where you'll paste the wallet address you copied from Trust Wallet. Double-check the address to avoid any errors, that's crucial. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, and take a moment to review any fees involved. Revolut might charge a small amount, plus network fees. When you're ready, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your PIN or biometric verification. After confirmation, the transfer will be initiated. Depending on the blockchain network, it could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour. Once it's done, open Trust Wallet again, refresh your USDT balance, and voila, you should see your funds there. And that's it, you've successfully moved your USDT from Revolut to Trust Wallet. Remember, always prioritize security by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.